Okay, so now after you have registered a domain name at GoDaddy and a hosting at Voidian or any other hosting company, the next thing to do right now is to install a WordPress in your domain name. So once you have pointed the domain name to your web hosting, you can go to the domain name that you have registered. For me, it's naturehealth.com and /cpanel. Okay, so by putting in /cpanel behind the URL, you are telling this browser to lead you to log in to the cPanel. So the username and password is provided to you by your hosting company. So for example, if you registered the hosting with Voidian, then Voidian will send you the username and password for your cPanel. So I've entered mine and I click login. And this is the cPanel that you will see if you register with Voidian. And I just want to share with you that if you register with other hosting company, high chance that you will be seeing the cPanel, which is more or less like what I'm showing you on my screen. So now how to install WordPress? You need to scroll down to under Software and Services section and click on this icon, Softwareculous. Okay, so if you register with Voidian hosting, you will be able to find this Softwareculous icon. If you register with other hosting provider, you need to check with them what is the software that you can use to install WordPress. So now I click on Softwareculous. And this is the WordPress I'm going to install, so I click install. Okay, I'm going to install in the domain name. Okay, I'm going to install in Singapore WordPress. Okay, so for you, because you only have one domain name, so it should be the only one that's selected here. So in directory, for you, you need to leave this blank like this. Okay, so that WordPress will be installed in this directory. But for me, because there's something here already, so I'm going to enter WP. So again, for you, please leave this blank. Okay, so for the database setting, so just leave this default. Admin pass. Okay, so I will leave this default. Okay, please do not use this admin as the username and password as pass. Okay, because this is a very weak password. This username and password will be used for you to enter your WordPress. So change it to something else. So for me, maybe I select Casey Tan, and password I will put in Casey Pass. Okay, Casey Tan, Casey Pass. So this is my personal website login. Scroll down further and click install. Okay, so I'll give it a few minutes to install WordPress. Okay, so once the software has been successfully installed, you just need to click and go to the URL, which is the domain name, and you should see something like this. So if you see something like this, it means that WordPress has been successfully installed in your website. So now I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your WordPress website. So go to the URL, and behind the URL, just add in WP minus admin. Okay, so WP minus admin, enter, and you should see a login screen. So the username is just now the username that I enter, as well as the password that I enter during the installation process. So I click login. Okay, now you will be seeing dashboard. So congratulations, now you already have WordPress installed and you managed to log in to the WordPress dashboard. So in the next video, I'm going to share with you what are some of the important settings that you need to do for your WordPress website. So I see you in the next video. Thank you.